All right, this is a commercial job that warm air propane furnace, horizontal, vented through the roof. That's not running. There's two furnaces here. This does that office below. It's in the attic. It's a nice attic though. One of the better ones I've been in. Someone took the panel off. All right. Let's see what we got. We got an error code. Let's see. 7 1 2. Oh, it's trying to start. Blower just came on. Shut back off. Green light. No lights. Green light. I have a feeling the blower's not coming on. No. I smell gas. All right, let's see what's going on here. I think I counted 7. Someone's had the cover off. Off the electrical. Okay. So let's turn this on and see what's going on. I have a feeling it might be the hot surface igniter. Not working. Let's see. Let's try to find out here. Let's turn the switch on. That down. All right, let's see. It was blinking. I think an error code 7 blinks. Seven. Ignition lockout due to retries. All right. I think, yeah, the igniter's busted. It's burnt out. It's broken. I can see it. All right. So let's see what I can do here. Yeah, open. No resistance at all on the igniter. Yeah, okay. You can see it. You can see it broken, burnt. Yep. You can see. You can see what's burnt right there. Okay, I don't have that particular igniter, but I do have a Honeywell universal igniter that is set up for a replacement for that particular one. I have that one. So what we do is it comes with a universal bracket. It comes with, the bracket is made for this igniter for a replacement. Some ceramic wire nuts, because I want to utilize this plug. I want to keep this plug. In case in the future I happen to get the exact replacement, I'll still have that plug. Not real keen on these strippers. There we go. Okay. Now what we're going to do first is look at this bracket. Okay. Had to modify the bracket a little bit. Let's see if I can get it in there now and make it work properly. There, now it fits. Couldn't get it to fit before. Alright, so now let's try putting this back in. Around, then put the next one. That way, if should happen to come off for any reason, there's tape between the two. Everything away from the blower compartment. Everything looks good. All right, let's turn it on. Let's see if that thing. There we go. I think we're done. Fired right up. Had to put a new igniter in it. universal igniter, and I had to adjust it a little bit because it wasn't quite getting into the flame to ignite properly, but now it's lighting right up every time. Blower comes on, it sounds good, everything looks really good. Thank you for watching.